Kyoto is especially well known for traditional wooden townhouses called Machiya that originated as early as the 7th century. This renovated version is our accommodation for the next few nights, offering a glimpse into Japan's past. This place is called
the premium Nijo Castle North, part of the Rinn hotel.
Okay, let's go and explore. We've not even been inside yet. We literally just got our luggage delivered. We did luggage transfer from our last hotel. And now we're seeing this lovely house for the first time. Today, these traditional homes are rapidly disappearing due to maintenance costs and steep inheritance tax. What's through here? Oh. So this is like a nice, just chill out lounge.
It's a tatami room.
What's a tatami room?
It's tatami mats.
Oh, cool.
It's really nice. It's close.
And then we have a downstairs toilet. Bidet as standard. Starting to get used to those. Nice little cute sink right in the corner. This is the kitchen area. We've got a hob, electric hob it looks like. You open it up like this. You've got the sink. There's kitchenware, glasses.
Oh, there's a microwave. Yay, we can get food. Oh, it's a very small fridge though, but it'll do. Oh wow, it's so cute.
Got some water, coffee machine, kettle there. What is this here? That is the fuse box. Oh, I love it. Everything's so efficient. It's all about minimalism and maximizing space, isn't it? Yes, we got, that looks like washer dryer. Excellent. So we can get our
Oh, they're
clothes
giving us some
detergent. This is the tumble dryer. And then we've got our mini washing machine. We do some washing tonight. Excellent.
Okay, to the Machiya. Look, happy birthday, you got a lovely note.
Wow, there it is. Oh, it's awesome. Okay, so we got towels under here. A hair dryer here, toothbrushes, got all our toiletries. Oh yeah, razor, hairbrush. Yeah, we got everything here. Look at this double sink.
Oh yes.
Fantastic. And then that looks like a portable heater. We're not going to need that.
There was instructions to heat the bathtub with this down here.
Glass was so clean that I didn't even realise that that was the glass pane right there.
This is lovely. Look at this. Wow. Own little courtyard. Change rain shower, please. You could just
Okay. This is the outdoor section. Cupboards up there, that look good. You want to chill, relax, do a bit of sunbathing, why not? Very nice. Ah, these are the portable heaters here. Now for upstairs, what have we got? Stairs. So those are some lights. Dining area, living area, kitchen area. Okay, let's go take a look upstairs, guys. This house is cool. Okay, never been in a Japanese house before. Oh wow, this is our bedroom.
Oh, lovely. Wow, look at this. It's warm up here though.
And look, we're gonna sleep traditionally on the floor. How cool is this? I've lived in South Korea before. I remember sleeping on the floor for 6 months on a Korean yo. I got very used to it. Very good for your spine. So it's just like a mat about this thick on the floor. No base. This must be an AC unit. Yeah, it looks like it, a fan or AC.
Turn that on.
So we can hang our stuff here, right?
Yes.
And then up here we've got more storage. Ah, yes. More storage up here.
But we don't need that.
How cool is this, huh? This is so cool. Got more storage. Even more storage here. Cool, cool, cool. A nice traditional clay teapot. Guessing this is the same up here. Storage. Yep. How about this? Does this open? Yes, it does. Okay. And these are the blinds.
Blackout blinds.
They thought of everything. Traditional matches are designed to let in natural light.
Just literally leads outside. Oh, it only opens so far. It literally leads right outside. There's no like safety bar or anything.
Yeah.
So
I think just let some air out. Open a little bit on the side.
And then you've got the neighbours on the left. Nice.
I've already been bitten twice already.
Okay. That's all good, we'll get used to it. We've been to worse places in terms of mosquitoes. It's another toilet. Okay, cool. Another bidet. Small sink. Very nice.
Oh wow.
It's very warm in here. We've got another little room here. Oh, we can get some fresh air, which is good. The last few places we've stayed at the hotels, we've had rooms on very high floors and no access to opening the windows. There we go, power on. Cool, man. How awesome is this, guys? Oh, so yeah, we'll be enjoying this for the next couple of days. Oh, and we've got some traditional
yukatas.
sleeping attire.